Mute. Yo, I'm still in this Saba play, bro. I can't believe Saba's still running it up. Killing it. Oh yeah, right. That one on D-Wop. That one is like right on D-Wop. I mean, the Jasmine one's nice. Like I said, I mean, it is moving a lot. I got about 5,000 coins over here on Jasmine. Rusty. Feel like a 10 out of 10. Hearing they got in the plan. If not, then somebody been watching the kid. I made it out of a jam. I got some ribbons in front of me blocking you stuck watching life in the stands. I know that you sick. The drink got me thin. I won't hold under pressure. That one's still above. Young and I'm some all the way in it. You see that I'm more than expected. My mind is a treasure. I get it. Deposit come from overseas. My coin up. I'm the bag boy. Yeah, I know bread for the sound click. Pretty thin. Quickly crack a smile for me. Yeah, I gave it that joystick. Dab at the pin with no manners. Before then, I'm copping them more with the palace. I'm out of the street. The ship in the jet. I used to be broke. I'm up on the chips. You can tell by the drip. Ain't nobody telling me shit. I'll smile for the flick. You know what it is. Ain't shit sweet. Ain't shit funny. That one's the whole one right there. Right there. 565 and chilled out after all that at 565. That's crazy. I ran it up right there. Now she talking like she want me. Yeah. Hey. Wait. Look. Life is just how I want it. Make sure my audio is not fucked up again. Install the update. No, I do not want to install the update right now. Jasmine's about to make another run for it.
I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no.
Now I'm about to go to 32 right now.
We was cool,
it's holding up pretty good.
But it hit the fan when I got him down again. But I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these hoes, cause my last name ain't Ken. Cooking on the stove, that's the way you pay the rent. Working on the pole, that's the way you pay the rent. Better watch your soul, cause you know they trying to get it. Yeah, yeah.
We're about to get back up there. It's like 34, 35 is right there.
I'm trying to right my wrongs. By right now my wrongs. Ran through a check, cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me slipping,
I mean, hell, look on the 1 second chart. We are still well away from the VWAP.
Yeah, I need my space to breathe. That's why I be going ghost. I ain't trying to stay up on that wire road. Cause I can't let
ASM is right on VWAP.
Oh, I can't let him take my soul.
What are we looking like on the market cap right now? 2.74 trillion. I mean, we have a lot of these little ones moving right now, which is what I anticipated once we have Bitcoin and Ethereum hit back at all-time highs. What the fuck is this? Electric vehicle direct.
But I promise I do it. That K got a drum, like murder and boom.
24.
Sending you if I get my little
244,000% is what it's up. Like, what the hell does that even mean, bro? Like,
if I'm on the board, never plan tested. You on my way, you gon' need a vest. Act big, you might get stretched. All your guns talk, I ain't impressed. My 40.
Yo, Jasmy slipping a little bit. Back on VWAP, it'll probably bounce off of VWAP, and then it'll probably lift up a little bit right there. That's usually what it's been doing. Edit. That's right. I gotta use this on the keyboard. What was it again? Command C. And what is it? Command V. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ritos. I want Jasmy to come back down and smack the VWAP. We gotta get off the VWAP again. I mean, we're well away from VWAP. As long as it can keep doing this, where it keeps staying above VWAP like how it has been doing, then it'll be cool. Not a great end to the day for ASM. Nah, I mean, it's not too bad, Taylor. It's not too bad. I mean, we do have, we got Coinbase brought a bunch of new coins and altcoins over there to trade, so that doesn't help. And I mean, Jasmy is pretty much still kicking ass today, but I mean, ASM is still looking solid. I mean, we're just consolidating right now. You know what I mean? Like, if you look in the 30-minute one, or even the 45-minute one, we have this still, 30-minute one. I mean, we have this nice upward momentum that's still climbing. What's most likely going to happen is we're going to end up setting up for, like, another, like, a wedge formation here. It's just going to be a huge, but it's going to be an upward trend wedge formation, you know what I mean? I expect this wedge to come up and test this top end right here, and then it'll break out to the top end. But yeah, definitely not that great for ASM. I mean, Jasmy's been just taking a lot of the juice away from it. But I mean, I don't think a lot of people realize about the holders. A lot of people are failing to even, I mean, like I said, we can make some money here. We just gotta trade the shit out of this one.
They be like, look, girl, that's Zavy. Young nigga sauced up, I'm gravy. Sweat on the boat shoes, that's wavy. Chief rocker, young drop topper, got the op stopper, that's Mando.
But yeah, I feel you, Taylor, man. I feel you, Tyler. I feel you on that one. I was like, I mean, we're not bad though. I mean, at 18 cents, I bought in around 9 and 13 cents. It's still doing good, bro. Have you seen the stuff about the wallets? No, enlighten me.
Got a thing for the paper piles and the brown babies with the accent, and they know that it's really up. Fuck the coppers, we tear the whole city up. Hit the stage and she holding them titties up. About to flip me 100, put 50 up. They be popping that shit for the internet. They want an Oscar, I'm cool on the fakery though. How you be doing the most when you doing the least? They be loafing on bakery mode. I got a smooth face,
shit,
like
man,
it
that's
smells
right.
something, but it makes sense.
Quest of Therapeutic beat earnings today, 18% over what they were expecting, and god damn, Quest of Therapeutic went to 580. Woo! Yo, we actually had some movement in pre-market or after hours for Quest of Therapeutic. That's crazy. We got about 300,000 volume. Yeah, that's another play right there. Let me get back over there on the other one. Damn, that's crazy on a Quest of Therapeutic. That's beautiful. So apparently there is only about 11 million to share among the holders outside of the top 100. So they are almost bought up. 11 million tokens. That's on ASM. I mean, that's kind of like what I came up with, what I was thinking on ASM. I was thinking like basically all the coins were already basically bought up on it almost. I mean, that's kind of why we didn't fall straight back on our face. Yes, sir. Supply is running. Yes, sir. That's basically, that explains why ASM didn't fall back on his face when we had an all-time high at 20, or not an all-time high, but you know, when we got back up to 26 cents. I mean, we came back and we hit 13 cents and built up some nice solid support off of the 152 day, and then we basically broke off the 152 day moving average. Yeah, I mean, ASM, I think this is a solid long-term coin right here because of the use case. Jasmine, I mean, I like it because I'm making a lot of money on it right now, but I mean, like I said, I don't like the wallet. I don't like how that one person owns so much of the supply chain. So if that is the case, could 5 cents be on the table real soon? Possible. Anything's possible, but I mean, what I keep leaning towards is that alt season's almost here. Nah, get KRL, forget Jazz. Yeah, the Jasmy one, I'm just basically swing trading it. I'm already been I've already taken profits from it today a little bit. This is basically going to be a day trade right here on this one. But I mean, yeah, once I saw that, it kind of, you know, put me off on it a little bit, but you know, definitely that KRL and what was the other one? Bounce. Bounce. I've been looking at Bounce. Yeah, but be very careful with that Jasmy one. I mean, it has a lot of, oh shit, there we go, bro. Look at the 1 second one's finally breaking up off the VWAP right here on ASM. As long as ASM can stay above this blue line, which is VWAP, it should have some nice upward momentum on it and continue to push up. But just have an exit plan on that one. Don't get too greedy on that. You know what they say about, you know, when you get greedy, pigs get slaughtered. Go against us, I highly doubt it. All of my bros, we got it. They know for sure, we got it. Been on a roll, we got it. We cannot go without it. Yeah, I'm already trimming down on Jasmy. Go against us, I highly doubt it. That Jasmy coin one, I'm already pulling back on it. I mean, it is just ran it up a lot. I mean, I hope it stays up though. I hope that big ass, the big owner of all those coins doesn't do anything with it. Hopefully, you know, he doesn't eat too much with it. Yeah, we got 1,200 members over here. Almost. But I mean, the market cap's been just chilling right here, the 2.74 trillion. I mean, it's basically, what the fuck is this? Oh, I already see this. 244,000%. Really? 244,000%? That's gonna be another Squid Game. BNB's at 553. SOL, what the fuck? It hit 227. Damn, I sold my SOL at 205. I should have just kept it. Son of a bitch. I'm that go-to when she down to come through clutch shine. Sit round till I'm flush time. My drip real flush shine. And then that tea off a blue pill. Hand grip stack of the blue cheese. Turn that to a bag of a new crib. Yeah, everybody's talking about that Jasmy thing. Yeah, KRL. Pro Bitcoin Miami Mayor says he will take next paycheck 100% in Bitcoin. Let's go, bro. He said, I want to get paid in Bitcoin from now on. Fuck that fiat shit. Derivatives exchange giant CME Group announces micro Ethereum futures launches. Bro, we're at a turning point right now. Like, we're at the fork in the road. We're literally at the fork in the road for mass adoption of cryptocurrencies is everywhere. Pro Bitcoin Miami Mayor says he will take next paycheck 100% in Bitcoin. Yep, the mayor of U.S. City Miami says he is going to take 100% of his next paycheck in Bitcoin, becoming the first American politician to accept a salary in cryptocurrency. The mayor is currently trying to build his city into a Bitcoin capital of the fucking world. Yeah, he even posted it on Twitter. He said, I'm going to take my next paycheck 100% in Bitcoin. Problem solved. Yes. That's fucking hilarious. Singapore strives to become global crypto hub. Monetary authority reveals. Huh? Singapore established itself as a center for crypto businesses. Authorities in Singapore are taking steps to cement its position as a key player in businesses. The officials who has been at the helm, authorities in Singapore and the US for a decade, has revealed in an interview. It comes to Singapore and other financial hubs around the world are exploring ways to regulate and rapidly grow sector. Quoted by Bloomberg. Fucking Bloomberg's always on shit.
Tell me what you for, yeah. Hey, pay me what I'm owed, yeah. All this money on me.
Purchased at 11 cents and now going all in at 20 cents. This is a long-term play. ASTR to the moon. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Oh, yeah, I'll give you an award, buddy. Still got 323. Guys, make sure if you guys do have a Reddit one, come over here and comment and up like every fucking comment over here. And try to search as much ASM as you can, so that way you can kind of get that shit trending. Life been lit just how I want it, yeah. Now she talking like she want me, You know what I mean? The more we get traction over here, the more we get flow, the better it is. Jasmy coin's about to run it again. Look at this. I mean, it just needs a break above 35, and then I think it's gonna run it to fucking 40 cents with no problem. Yeah, but I am sitting on about 6,000 coins on Jasmy. Check out Cypher. New Evergrow. Now check out CoinMarketCap. You out on my keep it a C note. Gives us D League, they could be more. I brought the A game, gripping them B cups by the seashore. Filling up my God damn it, my computer. Fucking get off the other computer over there. No small bark, I'm cool on your feedback. Ain't sweet, ain't funny. That one right there. CRP. Assuming that's the one right there. The one at 22 point. Yeah, that one right there, huh? Bottom? What? Other one? Okay. Mahogany tint on the skin. I feel like a 10 out of 10. If you hearing it, got in the plan. If not, then somebody been watching. This one right here, right? Number 288. 2884. You stuck watching live from the stands. I know that you sick. The drink got me thin. I won't fold under pressure. I'm young and I'm reckless. I'm all the way in it. You see that I'm more than expected. My mind is a treasure. I get it. Deposit come from overseas. My coin up. I'm the bag boy. Yeah, I told Brad for the sound click. Pretty dang. Quick crack a smile for me. Yeah, I gave it that joystick. Damn, I mean, if you're in it, you're doing great, but fuck, I would be out of my mind to jump in this one right now. I mean, you might be able to continue to run it up though. I mean, with alt season being here, alt season right around the corner. We got volume 24%, we got 186% in the last 24 hours. What are we looking like on the wallets? Oh, it doesn't show me the wallets over here. It's the same deflation like Evergrow. Nice. You know what? I'm definitely gonna keep an eye on this one. Dolo in my section. Got my money flexing. Got look like stressing. CYPTO. Yeah, I mean, hell, at this low price, I have no problem throwing $100 at this one right here and seeing where it goes. But I'm pretty worried. Let me see, where can I trade this one at? CYPT. I trade this one ever? Oh, got ripped. Trust wallet, nice. Yeah, I just came up right now. I was getting ready to say trust wallet. Cool. I'm gonna grab like 45 bucks today, and then I'll grab a little bit more in a couple days. Get my feet wet on it. Pancake swap. I'm trying to set my pancake swap up, man. I've been sitting there beating my head against that shit, trying to figure it out. I'm like this, bah, bah, bah. Pancake swap has me struggling with it. Like, god damn it. But no, I do plan on. I should have my pancake swap running hopefully in the next couple days. I'm having a little bit of issues with it. My buddy, Those Glories helped me out with it. He said he figured it out for me. But yeah, I've been working trying to get my pancake swap going. Pancake swap is a motherfucker though.
Watch your mans too. Separate your homie from your fan. Keep your hand due, for they still a rock from your hand.
Blow up again right now.
If they trying to stick me
just
everybody swear they solid till you put that heat on nice.
Where is that tomorrow?
Now we looking like the city
Everbro is down.
We was switching up, tell him he gon' need advice. If you still around, you still by me, yeah, you did me right. Now they mad at you.
Right around the corner, so it should be doing pretty good.
We had to do. They be corny, they still posted on the avenue. Been on our grind, took our time like a sabbatical. Rather be realer than fake. We the ones that made it out. Rather be early than late. Take risk, go wait it out. Yeah, they know that we great, so they all gon' hate us now. If it ain't to my face, tell them niggas watch their mouth work. Everybody swear they solid till you put that heat on nice. We was taught to shine, now we looking like the city lights.
Damn, I just swung traded Matic last week for like an 8-cent loss, and now it wants to be up at 207. That's crazy.
I told them that's a strong bet. Whole team winning, yeah, we all set. And we ain't really in it at if you ain't on that. Once you give me the same love, I give it all back.
It's acting fucking very suspect.
Even when I was down bad, I was down for you. Even if I ain't have it, bro, you had it too. I don't be feeling like that vibe.
I grabbed 55 bucks of that one real quick, and then I'll grab a little bit more, probably in a day or two right there. I mean, hell, at those low prices right there, you can't go wrong. ASM is stable at least, right? It's very, very, very stable. That's what I was like, kind of. I mean, I basically started trading this one on Thursday, and I mean, the fact that we didn't give everything back after this nice run up to 26 cents, it says something. I mean, but yeah, it is very stable and it's holding up solid right now. I think it's about to really get it. The Jasmy one, I'm just swing trading that one. I don't like that one person owns 50% almost of the wallet of the coins. So yeah. And ASM is basically almost done. Like, there's not even any more coins left to trade almost on that one. I mean, yeah, I agree with you. At least it is stable. Look at Everbro. I think it's a rug pull. Man, there's been so many rug pulls lately, though. I mean, I wouldn't doubt it. I mean, hell, you saw about the biggest rug pull ever, right? On that fucking Squid Game ones. That was bad. Yeah, that was horrible. I was looking at it, I was like, damn, this is crazy. It's up at how much? And then the next thing you know, it was down at like sub pennies again. I was like, yep. I was like, yep, that's how it fucking happens. Yeah, horrible. I hope nobody got caught in on that damn got caught up in that one. That shit was crazy on that damn stupid ass Squid Games. Hey, whoever came up with it, I mean, I can't knock them for, because they were smart. Because I mean, that it had nothing to do with Squid Games at all. It was up 600%. My friend in high school invested, got 26K profit. I hope, hell yeah, I was gonna say, I hope he sold too. Like, I mean, a lot of people don't realize, I mean, you have to take profits. Like, if you're really, really high up, and I mean, you gotta take profits, you gotta snack. And then when it comes back down, you buy a little bit. Sell on the rip, buy the dip.
sweatsuit with the suede on it, not a stain on it, just a vaccine. Got a thing for the paper piles and the brown babies with the accent. And they know that it's really up. With the coppers, we tear the whole city up. Hit the stages, she holding it. About to flip me 100, put 50 up. They be popping that shit for the internet. They want an Oscar, I'm cool on the fakery though. How you be doing the most when you doing the least? They be loafing on bakery mode. I got a screw face like they smell something, but it makes sense. I'm the excrement. Top billing and I'm crop killing and I'm not feeling all the extra shit. Salt ducking with a
hyper deflationary token. Well, I mean, cryptocurrency is a deflationary asset. MetaMask is shit. If you're not careful, you lose. Oh yeah, I don't have MetaMask at all. I don't fuck around with MetaMask. I just closed my Kraken account and transferred everything over to Coinbase because Kraken was bullshitting with me. Yo, Fidelity. Deflationary token designed to become more scarce in time. All holders of BTC warrant 8% reward from every buy-sell transaction in Binance. Binance, I like that. Tokenomics, Evergrow coin is the next evolution of a deflationary token on the Binance and deflationary token maximize your earnings for both now and the future. Simply hold ETC tokens and get rewarded 8% in BUSD. Reward holders of fees. Buyback burn, 2% on buyback burn, really?
I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. See, we was cool right before he hit the fence. But he hit the fence when I got him down the bench. I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these cause my last name ain't Ken. Cooking on the stove, that's the way he paid the rent.
That's nice.
Working on the pole, that's the way she pays the wish. Better watch your soul, cause you know they trying to get it. Yeah, I learned my right from wrong on a song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. I'm trying to right my wrongs. I'm writing out my wrongs. Ran through a check, cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me slipping, yeah, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. Yeah, I need my space to breathe, that's why I be going ghost. I ain't trying to stay
so it looks too good to be. That's why I'm like, where's the anti-rug pull? You know what I mean? I don't see anything about anti-rug pulling on here. You know what I mean? Damn it, motherfuckers.
I can't let them take my soul. No.
It looks too good to be true. Usually when stuff is too good to be true, it is too good to be true. You know what I mean? But there's always money to be made on shit that's too good to be true. You just gotta time it right. Get in real quick and get out real quick. You'll be all right. I'm telling you, I think Jasmine's about to blow up again right now. I mean, it's kind of hard to say where it's gonna run, but I mean, fuck, I think it's gonna run again though. Facts. You know what I mean? Right?
That 12th gauge gave him life in the 12th grade. I tried to write him, but we ain't on the same page. I caught him slipping. I just had to let him know.
Wow, Ethereum Classic. I've been buying Ethereum Classic. God damn, it's still at $54, dude. I like Ethereum Classic, but it's been fucking me up lately. Ascending triangle.
I can't let him take my soul.
Dude, it's killing it. Like, I mean, this is crazy right here. This upward momentum it has on it. Like, this is nice. I mean, hell, it needs, as long as we can bust through the 35-cent range, if we're able to get past the 35-cent range, then I mean, it looks promising. If it fails at 35 cents, you best believe I'm pulling out of Jasmine and I'm throwing it somewhere else immediately.
I'm only talking flash.
I don't know though. I just honestly don't even know what to do with this one. I mean, hell, last week ASM was trading at 9 cents. I mean, this week we're trading at 20. Like, what the hell? Said something.
This is everything I wanted. She ain't know it, but I'm everything she wanted. She ain't know it, but I'm everything I wanted. You again?
don't see the light of day. Looking up to higher ground. Thinking that'll be a sweet escape. These days gotta schedule the romance. They say that love is a slow dance.
Yeah, I actually do. I think ASM is solid. Like, I mean, hell, it's impressed me since day one. I mean, hell, one of my followers, subscribers that comes in the morning on my live streams for market coverage, he's the one that brought ASM to my attention. And hell, as soon as I seen it, I was like, this looks good. We're about to blow up on this one. And I grabbed it at 9 cents. I bought more at 13 cents, 15, I think. And it just blew up on Saturday to 26 cents, which was solid. All my dumbass friends at school just like crypto is shit, and I'm here making a bag. Hey, hell yeah. You want to have a bag at the end of the day. I mean, I'm trying to tell everybody about crypto right now. Everybody needs to get into crypto, at least something. I mean, the big banks, everybody on Wall Street, they're all trying to get in crypto right now.
I don't know what this is, yeah, but it feel like it's real, baby.
What is this? The state of California requires us to notify you that your unclaimed property has been transferred to the state if you do not contact us before December 17th. Whoa, wow, really? $58. I'm gonna get my money quick. What is this? USAA is holding unclaimed property that belongs to USAA. I still got my car insurance in USAA. What are they talking about? What the hell? Oh, that's for the pandemic bullshit. They were still paying my... Really? $54? You motherfuckers might as well put that to the rest of the bill, you cocklickers. Everyone is like, it can't be used to purchase stuff. Oh man, they're dumb as hell. I mean, I forgot who it was, but he made a comment about in 1999 talking about how the internet was going to be revolutionary and it was basically going to take over. He basically called what's happening right now, and he even said that the only thing that was missing from the internet was a digital currency. I mean, this is back in '99. The guy, I mean, I forgot what his name is. I gotta look it up, but he was a smart ass dude. I mean, he was the one that was calling a digital currency that's gonna come out. I mean, if you really think fiat's gonna stay around much longer, you're high as a goddamn kite. Holding ADA, even if it goes to $1. Hey, Cardano is wonderful. I think Cardano, Ethereum Classic, and SOL are gonna kill it. Like, either one of those four are definitely a long-term position. ADA definitely has a solid use case to it. Yeah, I have quite a bit of ADA. I'm sitting at about maybe 3,000 coins on ADAs. Oh, never, I lied. I got like 800 coins on ADA. Yeah, Solano is really getting it. I mean, damn, it was crazy when they ran it up to like 250. Yeah, there's definitely a lot of currencies to pick out here to grab and just hold on to. I mean, I'm pro cryptocurrency. I mean, I love cryptocurrency. I mean, the money you can make on crypto is there. You just gotta have the stomach to, withstand it. And the longer you're in crypto, the better it is. The less riskier it is. Shit, the less time you have in crypto, the way more riskier that motherfucker is, because you can see an 80% drop immediately. Africa is the future when it develops. You know what? You're not lying. There's so much resources there in Africa. I mean, they just need to get their shit together. They need to develop it. All the bodies they have over there, all the people, it's a lot of money. They just need to get their shit together. Jasmy's about to get it again. test right here. What we looking like on the squeeze indicator on 1 hour? Damn, I'm not liking that. I don't think Jasmine, I mean, we might be able to get another squeeze out of here and push up to maybe the 82.79 range on our side, but it really didn't hit 90. 90 would have been solid, would have been great if it would have hit 90. Yeah, I'm gonna start selling some of mine. I'm selling some of my Jasmine right now. I got a feeling. I got the feeling. A lot to hold, but I ain't fold. I'm still on 10, huh? Toes planted in the soil, getting hard to keep it cordial, but that's just the way. Especially looking at this thing down here. This is like a squeeze indicator down the bottom. See how ASM, how the squeeze is basically like all the way. There's nothing left there no more. I think ASM is about to squeeze again. ASM holding it. Yeah, I'm selling some Jasmine. I'm gonna throw about 30% of what I sell from Jasmine back into ASM. I think anything under a quarter on ASM is fucking a deal right there. Because I mean, we have a lot of bag holders on ASM all the way up to 54 cents, and I'm betting on those bag holders to still be holding on to it. That's the 1 hour. Let's get a little closer. ASM is going up and constantly surpassing its averages. Hell yeah, exactly. The resistance is turning right back into, it's turning right into support. Look, I'm about my pledge. I'm decked up on blue bills, and I won't stop until the cash pit look like fall leaves in the backfield. Tell it out of my face. I mean, and then on the, what was it, on the 30-minute one? Yeah, on the 30-minute one, if I draw a trend line on this 152-day moving average that's basically treating the 152-day, I'm telling you, this 152 is acting as a solid level of support. I mean, the 152 and maybe the 200-day moving averages are definitely something to keep an eye on. Then again, a lot of people don't know about this one. I mean, last week, the hype on it wasn't really like, it wasn't really that much hype on it. Like, you know what I mean? We didn't get too much coverage on it. Everybody was talking about mana and shit like that. Everybody was talking about Tesla last week. I mean, they're still talking about Tesla this week, but you know. I mean, and then now you got Ethereum back at all-time highs. Evergrow was big. Yeah, Evergrow was big. I saw the Evergrow shit. Tesla overvalue. Yeah, Tesla's killing it. Like, I mean, I can't even argue with that, because when you make over $30,000 on one contract, that's fucking retarded. You should not make that much money on a contract. Like, right now, I still own about 2 of these 920 contracts right here for Tesla that expire in 17 days. I paid about $1,100, I want to say, per contract. Right now, they're worth fucking they're worth a stupid ass amount. I want to say 26,000 right now. Yeah, look at that, 26,000. Wild on Tesla, but yeah, Tesla is, I mean, you can basically add, the Tesla beats every automobile market cap added together. You can put Ford, GM, fucking Chrysler, Toyota, Volkswagen, all of them together, and Tesla's still gonna be way over them. I mean, it's at $1 trillion, right? Isn't it at $1 trillion? Yeah, it's at $1.16 trillion. We're at 1.2 earlier. Its revenue is less than all of them, though. Exactly, way less than all of them. Hey, I used to short the shit out of Tesla, and I lost a lot of money doing it. Now I'm like, fuck it, I'm just gonna go long on them. I mean, hell, Elon's 3 times richer than Elon Musk. Whatever the fuck that means. Yeah, that came across somewhere on the news. They said they were talking about Elon Musk, how he's richer than himself 3 times. I was like, what? What did you just say? I was like, that's crazy. Profit is only 30 billion. Amazon makes over 150 billion profit, you know? Yeah, that Tesla shit is really just, it's crazy to think how far it came. I mean, if you do the math on it, Tesla, before, if it wouldn't have split, right now it would be worth about $6,000. Or I want to say $5,800, which is, it's fucking insane. It's borderline retarded for a fucking company to be worth that much in so little time. People asking to tax the rich is dumb. Yeah, it really is, because I mean, they don't even pay any taxes though. I mean, Elon Musk has a lot of contracts on Tesla that are about to expire. Like, he's making all of his money off of calls and long-term shares that he's been holding for a long time. They don't have any income. Nope, they have 0 income. You can't tax them on income because they don't have any. They have shares and they have contracts. Exactly. Simple math. They buy contracts. The motherfuckers bought the 2024 leaps 5 years ago, you know what I mean? Or not even 5 years ago, like about 2 years ago, 3 years ago, whatever the hell. I mean, you know what I mean? He bought these leaps for nothing. Nothing. Like, I mean, goddamn, 121. You're gonna pay almost $1,200. No, that's $12,000 for one contract. Like back a year, maybe 2 years ago, you could have bought these for $1. Literally $1, and just killed it. Oh, there we go. Jasmy's making another run for it. And if you tax that, you would fuck everyone over. It's not gonna work. It really isn't. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Yeah, Jasmy's running again. I'm tripping back my position right now. I mean, damn, I think it's about to run again though. Like, we're right here at that 32. It needs to break above 33. There, I'm just selling some Jasmy right now. Congress trying to tax crypto. Right? Those fucking dumb motherfuckers. They don't know what to do with crypto. They're like, do we tax it? Do we get on board? Fuck, we don't even know. I think ASM's about to pop right there off of that. I'm gonna throw the money I just sold from Jasmy right into ASM. I think ASM's about to get it. We'll grab about 2,222. It's never gonna work out. Fuck no, it's not. Those guys are idiots. They're dumb. There we go. Jasmy's running. I sold a little bit of it. Maybe me selling will help get Jasmy to the top. I mean, every time I buy, shit goes down. Every time I sell, it goes up. We don't need taxes. No, we don't. We need cryptocurrency, then we're good. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Cryptocurrency is the future. This is what we need to do. That's it. I mean, you really think when we go to the moon, they're going to be wanting to get paid in American dollars? No. You think when people go to Mars, they're going to want to get paid in American dollars or the yen or fucking rubies? No. Or rubles? Rubles. But fuck. But FR, the government spends more than they yeah, I know. I mean, I was reading an article earlier, actually before I came online. They were talking about, is the United States ever going to be able to pay back its debt? Fuck no, the United States ain't going to be able to pay back their debt. That shit's fucking high as fuck. Spellfire creates 100 rare NFT cards to sell on OpenSea. 100 person mega battles formed midway. Disney Activision game develops national. Whoa. Let me read that again. 100 person mega battles formed midway. Disney Activision game devs announced mechanized combat NFT game. What the fuck did I just read? I don't even know. But they're talking about Metalcore Foundation Studio 369 reveal blockchain-powered mech battle game. A game development team behind a organization called the Metalcore Foundation and Video Game Developer Studio 369 announced a new multiplayer mechanized combat blockchain-powered video game title called Metalcore. The game is being built with Unreal Engine 4 and is a first-person combat game located in an open world. That's badass. What? I don't even know what I'm reading over here, but yeah, apparently, I don't know, bro. Studios 369 is getting involved with blockchain. Fucking what? I don't even know. That's crazy. Huh? Yeah, players can engage in 100-person player versus person. 100-person player versus player mega battle. Smaller scale cooperative PvE fights and faction-based open world clashes. That's crazy. The upcoming NFT-powered mechanized combat video game will be different from traditional free-to-play gaming worlds. That's crazy, dude. Yeah, like, what? I don't even know what I just read over there, bro, but that's some crazy-ass shit, right? They selling games as NFTs, and you're gonna win NFTs or something. I don't even know. Yeah, blockchain powered game mixed with non-fungible tokens has been very popular in recent times. Yeah, apparently you're gonna get non-fungible I don't know. That's crazy. Sounds like News World and NFTs had a baby. That has to be by far the wildest thing I've read on Bitcoin.com. Like, that's crazy. 100-person mega battles, and you're gonna win a combat NFT game. What? That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. I like it though. I like where they're going with it. Crypto network hash rates recover from summer slump. Ethereum's hash rate captures all-time highs. Hitting a low of 222 per hash rate per second, and today is 283 per hash rate. Woo! That shit got up a lot. Coinbase to improve customer support in U.S. and India by acquiring AI platform Agora. That's some crazy stuff coming out right now. I mean, we're at that. Yo, really? 33 on Jasmy. There it is, 33. We're definitely at the spot right now. It needs to get above 33. It needs to hold above 33 and move up. Are they not thinking straight? Wait, who's gonna play the game when you're the only one who owns it and can't buy access? I don't know. That's why I was like, that doesn't make any sense. Local Bitcoin C2P exchange launches mobile app. Like, dude, there's been so much stuff coming out for cryptocurrency lately. Like, it's just hitting left and right. Bitcoin Miami Mayor. Oh, no, we already saw that one. Miami Mayor. That dude's kicking it off right there. I like that. Yeah, they're just hopped up on the hype right now. Everything crypto, quick.
Everything I need, right? Not so fun to change. I'm too caught up in my way of thinking.
Is that the 200-day moving average? That, the 152, it's definitely at the 152 right now. That 152 has to act. I mean, it's been like acting as a conviction level right there. Jasmy 333. It hit 333 again, huh? I did start taking a little bit of profits on Jasmy, just a little bit. I mean, it is a lot. It's kind of high. I mean, it needs to hold to 33. It needs to break above 33. What are we looking like on the 1 second one? It's coming a little bit closer down to VWAP. This blue line is VWAP. Oh man, look at it. Jasmine's about to just sending up his nice wedge right now. And ASM just slipped. It just fell below VWAP. ASM did fall below VWAP on the 1 second chart. So we will see some downward pressure on ASM. Basically use that as a buying opportunity. That's all I see. Anytime we're below VWAP, I'm buying below VWAP. I'm selling above VWAP. That's all I'm doing with VWAP. Should I go to bed or keep trading? Got school tomorrow. Hey, none of this is a recommendation. Shit, I got work tomorrow, but I mean, hell. No. Keep trading, you'll be all right. Jasmine's about to, bro. It's about to break out, though. It definitely is about to break out to the top side right now. It's definitely getting ready to blow by this 35-cent range. Yeah, what school you in? What grade you in? What grade you in, if you don't mind me asking? 2.74, 2.74. 34, 12th grade. Oh, you're good. You're already done. 12th grade, man. I wish I was back in 12th grade again. I miss 12th grade. 12th grade was the best time of my life. Even though 9th grade was when I was running with all the 12th graders, but it's cool though. It's cool though. Taking no L's, I'm at the coattails to the cash cars. Yeah, right. I'm taking no L's, I'm on the coattails to the cash cars. They really not who they claiming. They talking foul with the cap. 7:47, 8 o'clock. Yeah, I'll probably shut this down here in about 15 minutes, maybe. 12th grade. Oh man, you got a long way to go. That's good. That's great though to see such all the younger investors, all the younger people that they want to invest. I mean, that's fantastic. Hell, I mean, I was talking to my mom and dad a few days ago, and I was like, why didn't you guys ever tell me about the stock market? And they said, we don't know nothing about the stock market, son. We're scared of it. I was like, what do you mean? It's the easiest thing in the world. God damn it. You pay yourself 10% out of your check, right? And my mom was like, well, yeah. And I'm like, well, what do you do with that 10%? I put it in a bank account. Savings. I was like, oh, no. Fuck that savings account. Go buy some fucking Ethereum. I have been investing since 8th grade. That's fucking fantastic, dude. Damn, that's awesome. I'm glad to hear it. You're definitely on the right path. Definitely on the right path. Me, I've only been investing for the past 3 years, since 2019. 19, 18, 20, 21, 20. Damn, it's coming up on 4 years of trading already. Whew, it goes by fast. It's been a phenomenal 4 years of trading, though. I cannot tell anybody. I mean, during the whole trade war with China, that shit was great. Listening to Trump coming over there, it was a good time with Trump. And then COVID was probably it was a crazy time to be invested during COVID. Talk about volatility. I learned all about volatility during COVID. so close to 18, just want to own my own stuff. That's all it is. Like, that's how I am right now too with the cryptocurrency, with the stock market. I just want to own shit. You know what I mean? I want to own assets. I mean, especially assets that I deal with on a daily basis. I mean, you know what I mean? My cell phone bill, my cell phone, I pay T-Mobile every fucking first of the month. I mean, every year I get a new Apple, so I mean, I buy whatever I own. November is bullish, especially for NFT. Oh, and BNB. Yes, sir. Yes. Well, November traditionally we see about a 5 to 6% increase. I anticipate this November to probably double that though. BNB, my wife has BNB. Yeah, BNB's been killing it. NFTM, who's NFTM? I mean, FTM. Come on, NFTM. Phantom. BNB risky. Sup, bro? Give me some TA. That isn't complete dog shit. Come on, bro. Let's go. What do you want, Cool Minds? What do you want? What do you got? Tell me what to look at. I'll give you a non-biased opinion on it. Yeah, BNB 554. Yeah, my wife has BNB. I'm good on BNB. BNB has been doing stuff. I love you, bro. Just kidding. All right, that's cool. That's cool. I was just saying that if you got it, throw it at me. And I mean, I'm always up for a challenge. I'm always up for a challenge. What are you playing though, Cool Man? What are you playing? Are you in Jasmy? I mean, this one right here is just killing it right now. I did not think this one was gonna run up 35 cents. So give me some dog shit. That's good though. Love from Pakistan. Hell yeah. How you doing in Pakistan, man? I got a good buddy that lives in Pakistan. Evergreen semination program over there. Evergreen. My buddy Umar over there. He's killing it. My Jasmine stays. That's good. I'm glad to hear it. I mean, because it's going. It should, man. My plan is to fuck college and work at Fidelity and trade 50% of what I earn. And I think you're doing great, dude. That's a good plan right there. I mean, if I was your age in high school and I would have known to save at least 15 to 20%, or at least, 10% of what I make, life would have been a whole lot easier right now. So, I mean, everybody out there, you should be at least saving 10% of whatever the hell you make. Before you pay your bills, pay yourself first. Don't pay anything else until you pay yourself. If you cannot pay yourself 10%, then you're doing something wrong and you should reevaluate what you're doing to make sure that you can pay yourself 10%. 10% should be the bottom end on what you should be trying to get to pay yourself. You know what I mean? Fuck paying all your bills. Your bills can wait. You got to pay yourself first. Must be lost in the sauce. You have to pay yourself first. Everything else you can work around. But yeah, 15%, that's good. Me at my old age right now, I'm 37 years old, so I save about 35% of my money and goes straight into the stock market. But then again, I started trading a lot later. Jasmy, get back up. Coinbase helped me so much. Coinbase is killing it. Matter of fact, talking about Coinbase has been just murdering it right now. I bought Coinbase on IPO day, and I think Coinbase is at like 340 right now. 337. Let's go, Coinbase. It did hit 340 though, right? 345. Let's go. 50 bucks in rewards. Nice. Feeling charged, got a little coin on me and I sauce with the nits. I'm a boss, I'm a prick. With the code showed up in the road doge in the fourth quarter, no assist. And the forms hella crisp. Alright, there we go. ASM is still just chilling right here, tracking sideways. Jasmy's taking all the juice right here on everything. Whoa. Why is my shit waking out for it? I'm gonna be me. Take it or leave it. I do better offline. Yeah. Oh, You gotta be kidding me. Why is my computer fucking up for right now? Glitchy. It's glitchy.
I'm just trying to be me. I'm just trying to do fine.
Why is it acting up for right now? Come on, bro. Don't do this to me. Yeah, that rewards you get on Coinbase is freaking awesome, huh? Yeah, I mean, you just got to keep your coins on there and you get rewarded. I think, what are they giving you, like 4%? 4% is way more than what you're going to get from a damn bank.
I've been really in the field, love the rush, I love the feel. Lately, I just want to run it up. Don't need no deals, I make the deal.
Come on.
Lately, I just want to run it up.
Hang on, let me try to close something down over here because it's making my damn thing act hella slow. I go to school full of rich kids, and it's kind of sad how I see them throw away money on stupid shit. Unfortunately, everybody does that. I mean, shit. I wish I could say I don't throw away money on stupid shit, but man, I still do it. Damn it, what's going on here with my mouse? Why is my mouse acting stupid for me?
You just rock what's on the shelf and I'm not feeling it. Search for the one, but baby girl, it's nothing real as this. Can't trust a soul, I keep a hammer, call it too legit. I've been really in the field, love the rush, I love the feel.
Kids now don't, especially the freshmen, it's not value. Yeah, a lot of people nowadays, they don't really value. They don't know the value of $1.
Yeah. Kinda check a song. Lately, I just wanna run it up. Count that too, count it up. Lately, I just wanna run it up. Yeah. I just be off the dome. I never own no crumbs. Too many
I forgot to invite. Send this out to my buddies.
I be at home alone. I be in zones alone. I be on road alone. Yeah. I be really.
Dude, what's going on here? Where's my mouse at? I lost my mouse.
Don't need no deals, I make the deal. I have to take it to a meal. Lately, I just wanna run it up. Yeah. Kinda check a song. Lately, I just wanna run it up. Count that too, count it up. Lately, I just wanna run it up.
You gotta be kidding me, dude. Again with this fucking mouse? I haven't had no problems with this in a while.
Lately, I just wanna
That's not even the right computer, no wonder. Come on, Logi Tech. Just don't.
Never was the one to go flicker. No face, no case, no picture. For place, big stakes, my dinner. Flip that, Canal Street. Flip that, last week, old money, this week.
You gotta be kidding me. Why did it lose connection over here? Give me 1 second here.
Stunning in your foreign car. You keep riding rental tax. Ew. Heard you rolling as a lean, we are not the same. Couple thousand in my pocket, this pocket shit. Rubber bands on my arm, this is not for play. I put 20 on the crib, while you cop a chain. I know they hated or love it. You know I love when they hate it. Last year was living basic. Nah. Haters on the other side.
Crazy.
Between the lines. Know I got some majors with me. Made it through some evil times. Late night on some demon time. Pour the Sprite, I need a line. I can't lie, you see the line. Freak time. Brainstorm. You can assume with your chains on. I can see them with the lights on.
Okay, there we go. What the hell, Logi Tech? You're pissing me off right now. I'll break you. 32. Did we hit 33? We did hit 33. I'm over here fighting with this damn mouse trying to get it to connect over here. Dude, I got this this MX Master 3 right here. It's fantastic, but I mean, every now and then it has this problem where it doesn't want to connect. Oh my god. 1 second.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, yeah.
I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop work is life when it's complex. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fog 24/7. I love the people, this is city. I met all my best friends, and I wanna thank every brick. I wanna thank every entrance to every building that I step in this city of mine. I owe you most my best moments in life. See, I fell in love for the first time in Golden Gate Park. I saw my first rap show at Great American Hall. I used to beg my homies for a ride across the bridge to goof off and spend the whole damn day doing whatever we want. Keith drove us down to Ice Place while we roll up a blunt, and me and Jack would get stoned, walk around and get lost. Don't think I'll ever truly pay back all I was lucky to get just by walking through the city. No, I'm a small part of this.
City of mine, how I love this city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love this city of mine. It never gets me down.
I never really had a place to call my own, so I travel and I roam till I find that. But I'm full of adventure, so I wander and I venture in this safe
Actually,
state.
it's not even a mouse, it's a stupid ass
I book a
computer
flight
right
to
now.
try to figure where my mind's at. A spot where I don't spend no money, just some time at. I mix and mingle with the people till
Yeah,
I
'cause
learn
look,
a
there it
little.
is,
I
back
brought
on
some
it.
weed and
Never
maybe,
mind, oh
maybe
well.
we could burn a little. She said you're funny, I said no, I'm David and I left.
3201 is definitely about to break above that top end. Let's see what we look like on the 1 second. It needs to hold up right here at that 32.
One day maybe I can find a place to rest. I fell in love with life and wonder where it take me next. I like the hustle and bustle. I fell in
ASM
love
is
with the
definitely
fashion. I feel
consolidating
opposed to the city.
solid
It's
off of
moving me like a
VWAP.
passion
Like,
in its mind.
it's either about to break. I think it's gonna break up to the upside. It's about to break out. Fuck you, listening.
All I got is questions. I ain't ever hope.
What it feel like? What it look like? What it be like?
They ain't gotta like it, they just gotta live with it. Got my money working, you know what I did with it. Take it to the field, treat it like a coin toss. Girl, I got it covered, I'm a Louis loincloth. But he ain't really with the gang, that's a fact. Had baby doing something strange for the snap. Ride around the county with her face in my lap. Keep it 101, this ain't the place for the cap. I ain't got the minutes for the who said what. Piling up the digits on a goose egg hunt. About to take a quarter to the ball cap later. Texting goofy double, I need all that paper. I been making plays, call me head coach Zavy. Eggplant emoji to me, bread loaf baby. Trade a couple dollars for some yen in a flight. iPhones off, ho, I'm in for the night. 40 on me, why they on me waistline? Talking about some money on me FaceTime. Stack it up and scale it up and flip it off. High stepping, baby, I don't trip it off. Hundreds on me, lighting up me workload. Still been getting to it when the work's slow. Count it out and seal it up and ship it off. High stepping, baby, I don't trip it up. I been living high, let me bask in this shit. Shorty on a juice cleanse, ass getting hit. Tally up the tokens, let me ball for the winner. Squad with me, I'ma fit them all in the
There's
sprinter.
Jasmine's trying to make another run. Or wait, is that going apart? Is it going apart?
Oh, you fed up. Lemon lime kush front of coast with a potion.
Needs to break above that 33. It's struggling though.
Felt bet it is what it is. Insurance plan, leave a meal for the kids. Truth in the blood, got G's in the family. First seen 100 by the peas in the pantry. Pounding on the pudding and I'm hopping in a ship. They know that I can't get it popping off the rip. Business over brunch and it came with mimosas.
Flathead Diversified, how you doing, bro? How's it going, man? Hope all is good. Sold those J-Nut calls. They got ugly. What do you think for the whole Shiba thing with Robinhood and the person or company that loaded me last 3 days? I mean, I think SheepCoin still has a lot of juice left on it, but I kind of figured a lot, there was a whale or somebody loading up a lot at that 80-cent range, or at that 80 pennies, or at the 80 range on SheepCoin. But I'm still holding my SheepCoin. I think it still has a lot of room to run on it. I mean, I hate saying it, but I think it's gonna be the next DOGECOIN, honestly. The juice it has left on it, and the fact that so many people are buying it and talking about it right now, yeah, I think SheepCoin's still gonna get it. Where's SheepCoin at right now? Still at 66. Yeah, we're just consolidating on ShibaCoin right now. I do too. Do you think Robinhood is the one that is loading up before they release on platform? Yeah, I do. I kind of do think Robinhood is the one that's buying a lot on their wallet. I think they're doing the same shit that they did with DOGECOIN. I don't think a lot of people realize that, but Robinhood loaded up on a lot of DOGECOIN. That's the reason why we waited for so long for the wallets. They loaded up on DOGECOIN, they loaded up on Ethereum. All the ones they have on their platform, they basically loaded up on them. But I mean, because yeah, they have to have a little bit of it on their platform, especially if they're going to have wallets. Coinbase does the same thing. If we know the corruption, we can win at their game. It's so hard getting info. That's what all this is about. This is why I got this YouTube channel for. I mean, I'm just trying to get information. If we can get info and we're able to beat the market with the information that is legitimate information and not fake info, not fake news, we can make money here. We can make an educated decision. If I was Robinhood, I'd load up and work it. They're not stupid. That's what they do. I mean, fuck. They might have lost a lot of the hedge funds, and everybody might have lost a lot of money from fucking AMC and GameStop and all that, but trust me, they've been making money for years. AMC and GameStop is not going to stop them, unfortunately. I wish it would. I mean, I wish I could tell you it's going to stop them, but they've been doing this for a very long time. They're good at this game. They got the money to back them up. But hey, but good thing is we got a lot of us motherfuckers that are willing to throw money at it. Yeah, but ShibaCoin, I think I still think ShibaCoin is gonna knock off a digit though. I think the possibilities there for ShibaCoin. I don't know. I don't want to say it's gonna make it to a penny, but I do think it can at least get to this sub penny range right here where DOGECOIN was, you know, prior. The possibilities there though for ShibaCoin to run.
I hear the whispers in the wind under smoky clouds.
But yeah, those Jagna calls, right? They were a little bit on the seat. I mean, I'm still in my Tesla calls. I'm still hanging on to those things. Those things are wild right now. Tesla's been kicking ass. I think I still have those Jagna calls, matter of fact. Yeah, actually, I still have 2 of those June 17th, the $100 call ones.
Better dreams, cooking flows and melodies for OGs with felonies who've been locked since the 70s. You gotta pray for enemies with jealousy. They only feed off the good-hearted. Just don't.
Definitely getting smacked though. Or wait, no, not the $100 ones. I'm looking at something else. I have the $75 call ones. The other one I've been buying flathead is I think it has legs till February, but it hit a penny. It'd be so cool, right? The other one I've been playing flathead is TBT. I've been buying a lot of TBT shares, and I actually started buying some contracts on TBT. Tomorrow we're gonna hear from Fed Pal. I'm actually banking on Fed Pal giving us a date for tapering. And when they taper, guess what? TLT is going to go south. TBT basically is inverse of TLT. TBT will go up. Once the Fed stop buying TLT, I'm banking on TBT to go up to the upside. How about those same ones? It made 40-something% still, but I think it's going to go up again. Kind of sad I sold. What about Roku's killing it, dude? Roku's on fire. Cannot fuck around. Yeah, Roku. I mean, they're Roku's still a solid company. And other than that, who else was I playing? There was another TBT contract you get on TBT. I got the. I picked up pieces from my childhood in a broken house. I got the January 20th ones for 2023. I got the 2023 leads for $22 call. I paid about $152 per contract on those TBT ones. I got plenty of time on those ones. These ones right here. TBT, what was it? The $22 call ones. Yeah, these ones right here. They basically haven't really changed because I paid $162 for them. 165 for each one, so they're basically unchanged on TBT. But if Michael Burry's right, then I mean, I'm gonna be on TBT if he's right. Yeah, January 2023. They have to bounce back soon. Roku, Christmas, shipping, etc. Exactly. That's what I'm betting on right there. And then I mean, this is basically gonna be the first Christmas where we're almost fully. I don't want to say fully open, but I mean, motherfuckers are acting like we're fully open. You know what I mean? They're acting like Corona. What? They don't even care about coronavirus. Oh, ASM is gassing it. It's back up at 20. But yeah, those are the ones I got right there. The January 2023 ones. Not the 2022 ones, but yeah, 2023. I got myself plenty of time on those ones. That gives you 444 days for the TBT to make moves, and I mean, it'll take time for the Feds to stop buying for TLT to get back to where it needs to be, because TLT is definitely way too fucking high. TLT needs to come down, significantly. But we shall see, though. I'm interested to see how those TBT plays play out. Thanks, man. TBT chart looks good. It does. It looks good. It looks good. And then like the philosophy or the theory behind it, I mean, it makes sense. You know what I mean? Because TBT has been on a downward trend since TLT's been on an upward trend. The only reason why TLT's been on an upward trend for the past 19 months is because Fed Pal has been buying the shitload of it. Do you think Mana will reach $2.80? Damn, are they still running it, dude? Let me see. That Mana one is really getting it, though, huh? I mean, Mana's definitely consolidating right now on the 1 hour chart, but let's put it over here. There goes Jasmy's coming down a little bit. Put Mana Coinbase. Let's see what the moving averages look like on the, not the 30-minute one because it's fairly new, not even the 15-minute one. That doesn't look legit. Where's VWAP at? Let's close this one, and close this one. Well, Mana is right at VWAP, and it's definitely like, it's consolidating right now. I want to say that Mana's going to consolidate right here in this range. It might dip back down to the 267 range, and then it'll most likely dip back up because, I mean, of how close it's staying to VWAP right here. But then again, that's only the 5-minute one, so I mean, it really doesn't give you too much data to go off of. Yeah, I mean, Mana, you're definitely going to touch the 200-day moving average because, I mean, what I have here, these are moving averages. Unfortunately, the conviction level was not there for the 100-day moving average. It wasn't there for the 120. It wasn't there for the 152. It needs to be there for the 200-day moving average. Most likely, the 200-day moving average should act as a solid level of conviction, which means that everyone's going to come in and buy the dip for Mana. So I mean, Mana most likely will dip back down to this spot right here, which is when it gapped up, or when it gassed it back up, which puts it at about 282. So after we get back to this spot right here and we bounce off of the 152, we should see some upward movement. But I mean, after 200-day, it has to get upward movement from the 200-day moving average. Usually after the 200-day moving average, it's kind of showing you that the conviction wasn't there on these other levels. So I mean, it might take a little while for Mana to run back up, but I mean, it should have some juice still left on it. But I mean, it should come back down under the oversold area, which would be around 29 on the RSI. But damn, Mana went all the way up to 90 on the RSI. That's crazy on 83. But it'll definitely hold up to about $2.75 to the $3 range tonight. Once it gets here, it should jump back up to about the 310, 305 range. Car. Yo, bro. I was thinking of that shit earlier today, man, because car is gone, but I mean, we gotta be a little bit out of our minds to short this one right now. Because car, I mean, earnings was crazy on it though, Flathead. It was $10.80 per share is what they beat it. So I mean, they did phenomenal on earnings. So I mean, I cannot say, I don't even know. All I know is I played car this morning and I made about $60 per share. I got out about here and then it ran all the way up to $5.45. I didn't even know, bro. Yeah, the earnings was crazy on it though. Like $10.40 something cents per share. That's wild for fucking Avis to make. Like it blew earnings out of the water. So I mean, I don't even know. I mean, I'm interested in cars again. I want to play it again tomorrow. But I mean, it's definitely got some shit going on over here. Like, nobody thought it was going to hit $500. I definitely did. And I was thinking like $450 maybe. I did the same thing. Nice. Yeah, I grabbed it immediately first thing in the morning because I was like, well, they're going to beat earnings. I had a feeling they were going to beat earnings, but I didn't think they were going to do that well. And then I sold way early on it, but I was cool though. But I mean, don't get me wrong. I am kind of wanting to jump back in and play it, but I mean, I'm a little sketched out about it because this is crazy. That was a crazy move. I fucked up and only made like 50%, had a sell order. Yeah, actually, I'll tell you right now what I made on CAR today. I bought CAR this morning at 233, and then I sold it at 367, bro. So it was around here was when I grabbed it, and then I sold it like right around here. It was phenomenal. And then I was like, all right, it's cool. After the first hold, I think is when I sold it, and then it just gassed it immediately. But yeah, that they were saying that might be like the next. They were comparing it to the Volkswagen almost. He did way better than me. It happened so fast. It did. It happened hella fast. I was actually looking at cars this morning because earnings season, and it was one that came up, and I was like, well, Avis. I was like, let's see what Avis had going on. I just didn't. I mean, the short interest was through the roof on it too. It had a pretty high interest on the short interest. What was it again? I forgot what it was, but it was pretty high this morning. Who was Avis is that right now? Oh, hang on. Let's get back over here. Mana's right there. It's right there at that 200-day moving average I was talking about. I gotta put a trend line on there. Mana's right here. That 200-day definitely we need everybody to come in and buy it if they want that one to continue to go on up to the upside. Yo, and James, how you doing, bro? How are you doing, man? How we been, man? So what's tomorrow's car, hello? Thanks again for all the advice. It helps me a little more conviction, give me a little more conviction. That's great, bro. I'm glad I can help you out with that, man. Thanks for coming in, because you know what? Hey, that J-Nug play brought me some money on there, and I wouldn't have ever found it if it wasn't for you. Hell, Tesla, I forgot who it was came in here, but someone brought Tesla to my, I wouldn't have gotten into Tesla play if it wasn't for one of my viewers that came in here and actually asked me to look at Tesla, and we hit it at 680, and I'm still in the Tesla play, still smacking it. I think that's probably why I haven't heard from that guy no more, because he had the 620 calls, I think, on Tesla. I'm pretty sure he hit it big after that shit. He had came back in here. I think he came in like once, maybe twice after that. I've never seen him again. Did you buy any Luperine when I bought it up 2 to 3 days ago? Jasmy to the moon. Yes, I did, James. I sure did, man. Another day to the grave. I get it cause I got to. I got kids I need. When did I grab again? Let me see real quick if I remember. When I wake, I'm sleeping like a baby cause I know my paper's straight. Another day to the grave. I get it cause I got to. I got kids I need to pay. 100-person. I'm still tripping out on that 100-person mega battles. Former Midway Disney. That shit's crazy. That one with the GameStop rumor, right, James? Yeah, that one's killing it though. Yeah, Jasmy's definitely gonna get back up there. Oh yeah, Mana's definitely coming back. Let's see, where's Jasmy at again? Yeah, it's killing it, bro. That one's killing it, and that's actually news right there on that one. After I got it, I was like, oh, that was good. I grabbed it because James was telling me about it a few days ago. And then we got MasterCard has some more news with another crypto person, right? It pops up right away. It was OLB Group announces support for MasterCard cryptocurrency processing. Yeah, OLB killed it today. What? Whoa, wait a minute. This is a week ago. Porn. What? Porn, MasterCard, moderation, and how Bitcoin doesn't fix it. By imposing moderation requirements on content providers, the card giant crossed a warning line. But the crypto alteration is problematic too. What the fuck am I reading over here? As huge financial intermediate increases since for online content providers. Oh, okay. This is talking about like fans only and shit like that. Yeah, only fans. That's definitely what they're talking about right here.
It was just yesterday, right? It was just yesterday when we reported. Just yesterday. Sometimes like this week, OnlyFans, they said that they were cutting out porn from their website.
That was like, wait, that's actually new. That's actually new.
And back some all of the people who built up the OnlyFans platform. We were looking at what role banks and payment processors had in all of this decision making. Now they've announced that it will no longer.
Oh, I got TBT. Yeah, I did get TBT calls. Yeah, I already told you about this. What else calls did I grab? I grabbed some other calls too out there, Flathead. Fuck, who did I grab? Damn it, I forgot who it was, but it was a fucking killer ass one too. I grabbed it a few days ago. Oh, no, not GFS. I grabbed GFS shares. GFS is killing it. I like GFS. Sava's coming back up too. I still got shares of Sava. Who the fuck did I buy? I don't even. Oh, Twitter. I grabbed Twitter contracts. March 22, the 18 ones, the $70 call ones. I grabbed 4 of those ones. And who else did I grab? I think that was it. That was it for calls. I haven't really bought any more calls. What's your opinion on ARPA, newly listed on Coinbase, looking to grab? Looks a bit solid, man. I know Coinbase has just been going crazy with listing just stuff left and right over there. Let's see what he got on that one. APA. ARPA. Coin. Crypto. 32, holding up good at 32.1 on Jasmy. A privacy preserving communication network. WEBULL is blockchain based source. Let's see, ARPA. When are they supposed to come on Coinbase? Are they already on Coinbase? Yeah, they already are on Coinbase, huh? Rank 341. ARPA. ARPA chain. That's 20 cents right now. Let's see what we look like under holders. That's not bad. I mean, hell, holders looks nice. We don't have anybody that's bigger than, 15%. That's solid, at least on the holders part. I like that. That's the first thing I always look is who the hell's holding the majority of the coins. And that looks good over there on that one. Community got 29,659 over here. What are we looking like on Twitter? You guys got a solid Twitter community? That's like the next kicker right there. If you got a good Twitter community, then fucking it's good to go. God damn it. Twitter kicked me out again. Hang on, let me go check on my other computer. I'm assuming they got a solid community on Twitter with that many people on the watch list. got 402,000 402% for the volume. That's great, man. I love it. I love everybody out there, man. He just left me a good little remark right now. He made a lot of money off of those Tesla calls. ARPA. Let's see. Oh, you guys got a nice community on Twitter. I mean, they got quite a bit of people on there. They got 52,000 people on fucking Twitter. That's great. All right, now let's see what the chart shows. Other than that, everything else, I mean, so far, I like what I see on it. Is that a Binance one? That's a Binance one, huh? It's doing fucking moving right now, though. It's doing well right now. Hell, let's see what the 1 day chart looks like. Damn, I wish I would have came across this one sooner. I mean, I can't chase this one right now, but I mean, if you're already in it, it looks like it's doing strong right now. I mean, alt season's just about to kick off. It's well away from VWAP. It looks like it's gonna treat this 22-day moving average as some support. And I mean, all in all, it's had a nice upward trend on it. I got in at 14 cents, you dirty dog. That's good. That's great. This is a good one right here. I like it. I mean, you guys got a solid community on Twitter. That's a positive right there, dude. You got 52,000 people on Twitter. That's great. You guys, I mean, on the holders, you only got one person with 14%. That's not bad at all. Thanks, bro. Hey, you're welcome, man. You're welcome. I wish I had came across this one sooner. Damn. If I would have found it around here, I definitely would have bought this one. I'm going to keep an eye on this one, though. Definitely going to add that one to the watch list for when it comes back down to reality. But it definitely has moved up a lot. What's the use case behind it? Thank you. I appreciate it, man. Appreciate it.
Man, I remember being so naive when life was good, weather and palm trees. Back in the day, you were everything I need. But then along came a time when
they're pretty active on Twitter too. I mean, hell, this latest one right here has almost 22,000 likes on it. God damn.
You just don't care. Nah, you just don't care. You just don't. Still selling false hope cause you just don't care.
Top 10 coins by alt ranks. This one is up at number, I want to say this is at number 8 on top 10 crypto, top 10 alt ranks in the past 24 hours, bro. That's great. SOL is number 6. You think it has potential? It dropped on Coinbase at the same time ASM, but it definitely still did it, really. It came on Coinbase at the same time.
Still trying to find God, still trying to act safe. Put a youngin' on the corner, now he winning. By 27, he'll be dead or in prison shampoo. Yeah, these are all the terrible conditions that we bind and we put inside the minds of our children. Can't you see we in despair? Look around, we got crime everywhere.
I think you have solid potential on this one right here. This ARPA coin one. I like what I'm seeing so far on it. I mean, it's been out for quite a while on it already.
I hope my people can really go make
Damn, Coinbase is not playing around. They've been just straight adding all kinds of coins lately. Good morning, world. This is the year 2021. That would be like 2031.
If you ain't inclined,
What are you talking about over there?
Please don't throw your stones at me for speaking what's on mine. Man, I still don't feel that comfy in my own skin. It's hard to find your self-worth as a broken kid. These frames never held images of my own kin. That's why I rap sheet the only place we fit it in. Yeah, you can go to court or you go on that court. You do 9 to 5, or you go play a sport.
Back at VWAP, most likely what this one's gonna do, it'll probably bounce off of VWAP, especially with alt season getting ready to kick off again. Yeah, I think you got potential here though. Especially with these ones Coinbase has been listening. I mean, they've been listening a lot, so I mean, I'm kind of surprised of how fast and frequent they've been listening. But like I said before, they're pretty good with staying away from the rug pull ones. The only one I'm worried about really is that Jasmy one with that 50% holders. That's the only one I'm worried about that they just added. This one's not bad at 20 cents.
Don't you see we in despair? Got crime everywhere, still selling false hope, but you just don't care. No, you just don't care.
Balance and ARP change surges 25% of Coinbase per listing. Pro listing. This was 15 days ago, huh? Solid. Playing for a mini dip. Yeah, you'll see a little bit of a mini dip coming on it. What's gonna most likely happen here is you'll probably, it might come back up right here, but most likely you'll come back down and test this 18.6 spot right here, maybe lower end of the 18, because I mean it does have some nice support right here, but I mean it's gonna end up putting it in this wedge formation, so I anticipate seeing another little spot right here where it kind of jumps up.
You just don't care. Nah, you just don't care. You just don't. Still selling false hope, cause you just don't care. House, feel me. If we talking to a uniform, who the real? You know we in the deep south, so let's keep it real. This is what they used to mob, let's drag and kill. I never made the party cause I felt the paper.
I mean, that's the 1 minute one. It's setting up like a bull flag, basically, what's gonna happen here.
The way I carry my baggage, this heavy load on my shoulders might turn me to a savage. Is that why I gotta fight to get respect? That's a shame.
Praying for a big dip, right? That's what we can all do, man. We always want the dip, man. When the dip happens, we buy a little bit, and then we're like, damn it, I wish I would have bought more in the dip. Don't worry, the next dip, I'm gonna buy more. And then when the next dip happens, we only buy like 10-15%.
You know what
I mean? Hell, Jasmy, I wish I would have bought more than, $250 worth over here, but I'm like, fuck it. I didn't really, I didn't know anything about it really. I'm all on fucking ASM. I'm all on that ass. I'm all on that ass.
You just don't care. You just don't care. You just don't. I hope my
story of my life, right? You know what I mean? You know exactly what I'm talking about. Like me, I mean, I'm one where I'll buy 10 shares real quick, or I'll buy like a couple, like $200-300 of cryptocurrency. But damn, like, I mean, especially like, what was that one today, CAR? I grabbed only 10 shares of CAR today. I mean, it blew up, and then I'm like, yeah, I made like $150 per share, and I ran away like a bandit, and then it blew up to $500 or something like that. I'm like, damn, I wish I held longer. Wish I took your call on Jasmy this morning. Man, I wish I would have took more on it. Like after I grabbed it, I think like an hour later it started running it. I was like, damn, if only I would have grabbed more. But it's cool though. I mean, hey, it don't matter as long as you make a profit. You take the profits, run on the next one. You keep those profits up, you're good to go. But November's gonna be a good month. Don't second guess yourself in November. That's usually where I kind of mess up at. I always second guess myself and then it usually doesn't work out. Nowadays, if I second guess myself, I don't even take a play. I'll just sit out and play and I'll go on to another play. As soon as I start saying, well, no, never mind. Time to look at something else. But I mean, I won't be too surprised if we see 50 cents here on Jasmy. 50, maybe 60 cents, but then, I mean, after that, it has to come back down to reality. I mean, I'm pretty sure that big-ass well holding that 48% is going to do something with it. I mean, because we've been having that happen with ASS on ASM. ASM, the guys have been selling it. We've had a lot of activity on the wallets. I mean, this guy right here was sitting at about 15%. I want to say, was it 15 or 20%? I want to say it was 20%. We had 4, 5%ers. I mean, we've had a lot of movement happen here on ASM, but it's not that bad though. I mean, this is looking solid here to have, you know, only 10% on one wallet.
Back then I used to drive off Mason. Those cops not used to.
Hell, I wish I took my call this morning on Jasmy even more serious. Like, I was like, it looks good, it looks good. Let me just throw a couple $100 at it just to feel cute, and then it ran it up. And I was like, should have bought more. I was even at work. I was like, are you fucking serious? This coin just ran at the 35 cents. I was like, damn. Should have grabbed more. Look at what I'm gonna be playing for tomorrow. Who we gonna be watching tomorrow? I already know what I'm gonna be watching tomorrow. I'm gonna be watching Aquested Therapeutic. All eyes on Aquested Therapeutic. We fucking beat earnings. I was surprised on that. I did not think we were gonna hit earnings on Aquested Therapeutic. That shit blew it out the water by 18%. Crazy. It's not even updated yet. What are you paying? What the hell? Come on, WEBULL. You fucking kidding me?
I stopped this car cause you tint too dark. You know that's a lie. That ain't true. It's cause I
Alright, you get the next one, bro. You get the next one, man. Get the next one.
really ain't got no passing rights, really none into the afterlife. A green card that in the black card, but the Amex on
a green card. What?
Rights, and we still don't travel as a team no more, cause we can't get our baggage right in the structure in which our face gets structured. Make us seem more savage, like we curse like Cain, and it hurt like pain. No, it hurt like Wayne when he was hurt by pain.
Sometimes going to bed is the scariest time, right? You don't know what you're gonna wake up to, ladies and gentlemen. But I hope everybody has a good night. I gotta end the stream here. I hope you catch, ladies and gentlemen, on my next stream during the day, during Power Hour. Make sure that like button's lit. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and that bell's lit so you don't, or rang? Yeah, rang, so you don't miss out on the next stream. I'll catch you guys later. Over. I'll catch you on the next stream, bro. You have a good night. I'm out.